Welcome to my channel eTutor Monastery. In my last video, I have discussed about the roster method. In this video, we will focus on the set builder method or rule method.
Please subscribe to the eTutor Monastery channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notifications and updates.
Let's understand the definition of set builder method or rule method. In the set builder method, set represent in a rule or formula inside a curly bracket in the briefest possible way. Okay? Now, let's understand set builder method with an example. Suppose our question is, write the set of integers that is greater than equal to -3 but less than 4 in set builder method. In set builder method, the set will be like this. Now, according to the definition, first give a name of the set, suppose A. Then start with a curly bracket. Next, element of a set X. This is the convention of set theory. The elements are denoted by small letters. Okay, so you can use any other variable but in small letter. Next is such that. This colon sign pronounced as such that. Then we can write the rule or the formula of the set. So the first rule is that the set elements are integers. So X belongs to Z. This is a special Greek character, that is epsilon. Okay, it means an element belongs to that set and Z is a symbol of integers. Like this, we have more general conventions which I will discuss after this example. So, together it represents elements that belong to the set of integers. Okay. Next, a comma and the next rule, that is the elements greater than equal to -3 but less than 4. And finally, we enclose the whole description in a curly bracket. In this way, we can represent a set in the form of set builder method. As mentioned previously, here is some general convention of denoting some common set of numbers. Capital N, the natural number. Capital Z, the integers. Capital P, the prime numbers. Q, the rational numbers. And capital R, the real numbers. Just note down for your future use. Let's have another example. Write the set of natural number that is less than 20 in roster method and in set builder method. Now, as you know that the natural numbers is a part of number system which includes all the positive integers from 1 to infinity. Okay. So, if C is the name of the set, then the set in roster notation will be look like this, from 1 to 19. Now, in set builder notation, we can represent the set in this way. Here, C is the set of all elements X, such that X belongs to the natural number. Then we have described the limits of the values, that is X is greater than equal to 1 but less than 20. Okay. Now, proceed to the next example of set builder method. Write the set of even numbers between 1 and 15 in roster method and in set builder method. Okay. Now, if we write the set, suppose the set is capital D, then the set in roster method will be look like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These all are set of even numbers between the range 1 and 15. Now, if we write the set in the form of set builder method, then the set capital D will be look like this. Why? Because the elements are even numbers, right? So, we can represent any even number in the form of multiple of 2. Now, just we have to make the rest of the formula. That is, what is the range of this X? So, what is the lowest value in the set? 2. So we can write 2x equals to 2. So the x equals to 1. So this is our lower limit. Next, what is the greatest value in the set? 14. So again we can write 2x equals to 14. Then x equals to 14 by 2 equals to 7. So 7 is our upper limit. So this is the range of x. Now one more interesting thing. This set builder notation also can be represented as like this. Actually both of these set builder notations are same. Look at the second representation carefully. The element is followed by a pipe symbol. This pipe symbol is also stands for such that as like colon. Then we write the property or the rule that process the elements of the set and includes the whole expression in a curly brackets. So in this both ways we can represent set builder notation. Now proceed to the next example of set builder method. Write the set of odd numbers between -10 and 10 in roster method and in set builder method. Now the roster method, if our set is capital F, then it will look like this: -9, -7, -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, so these all are odd numbers. Now the set builder notation. In set builder notation, first we have to represent the elements part in a generalized form. So 2x plus 1. Why 2x plus 1? Because we can represent any odd number in the form of 2x plus 1. Then the formula part. First, x is belongs to capital I. Capital I represents the integers. Now the next part, we have to find the range of the x, right? So first look at the set of roster notation. What is the minimum value in this set? -9, right? So we can write 2x plus 1 equals to -9. Then x equals to -9 minus 1 by 2, that is -10 by 2 equals to -5. So this -5 is the lower limit of x. Now what is the greatest value in the set? +9. So again we can write 2x plus 1 equals to 9. Then x equals to 9 minus 1 by 2, that's equals to 8 by 2 equals to 4. So this 4 is the upper limit of x. So if we put all this value between the range of -5 to 4, then we will get this all the notation of this set, that is from -9 to +9. So this is the set builder notation of the set of odd numbers between -10 and 10. Now let's understand the cardinal number of set. The number of distinct elements in a finite set is called its cardinal number. So if a set is A, then the cardinal number is denoted as n of A, and we will read as the number of elements of the set. Now let's have some examples. First, the set A has elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So there are 5 elements. So the cardinal number of set A is equals to 5. Again, for set B, we have the elements as 5, 6, 6, 8, 12, 6, 13, 11 and 9. Now in this case, we again can write this set as this way. Okay, we just remove the repeated elements here, that's all. So the cardinal number will be 7 because the number of elements after removing the repeated elements is 7. So in this video I have discussed what is set builder method or rule method, examples of set builder method and cardinal number of set. In my next video I will discuss about the descriptive method of set. So bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. If you yet to subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe immediately and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new uploads first.